Look this bad problem. It's 7 minus 7 times 2 minus 2. 7 minus 7 equals 0. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 0 times 0 equals 0. And that is our answer. But it is cross. It is wrong. We didn't respect the order of operation. Here is multiplication, which is preferred. Here is subtraction, which is second one. Here is subtraction, which will be solved at third place. So first, second, third. This is the order of operation which we have to respect to get it correctly. 7 minus 14 minus 2. Now this one minus 7 minus 2. Now this one minus 9. That is answer. Thank you.